Here is SaxoInvestor app. So yeah, just tap get to install it. And yeah, that's basically the app. It's like investing app on your fingertips. It helps you to manage your financial future by serving up themes and inspirational overviews in an easy to use platform. Working on all devices. We have made an app for all investors combining simplicity with powerful features. With Saxo investors, you will not get lost or confused. We help you with inspiration and with getting an overview of your investments. Easy to use portfolio overview gives you the most important details around your current investments as well as a breakdown of your historic earnings. So yeah, start smart with Saxo Investor. Build your own portfolio with all the stocks you love and investing inspiration you need. Saxo Investor, yours everywhere. And then yeah, just tap to open and then you can send notifications. And then from here you can just log in. Or if you want to create an account, you need to create an account here in Saxo Bank. I'm not sure if it's only works in Denmark or it's only Danish or also at least in Scandinavia or Europe. But yeah, it's one of the top apps actually in Denmark. But there you have it.